Students, now our second method is completing square method. Before solving quadratic equation, here some steps are there for completing square method. First step, make x square coefficient as 1. If x square coefficient 1 is not there, divide with that coefficient, x square coefficient for the whole quadratic equation. Compulsory in this first step, x square coefficient has 1. Otherwise, divide with that x square coefficient for the whole given quadratic equation. Second step, what? Formula. Formula what? Term to be added. Half into coefficient of x whole square. Here you will make the mistake. Here whole square is there. You will take x square coefficient. That is wrong. Here you have to take the coefficient of x. Middle term you have to take coefficient. Half into coefficient of x whole square. And last step, here you will get the value. That value you need to add in the quadratic equation. In which equation? In the first. When you will make the x square as 1, x square coefficient as 1, no? For that equation you will give the number 1. In that equation you are going to add this value, term to be added. These are the steps for the completing square method. Students, now practice set 2.3. For this whole exercise by using the completing square method. Just now we learned the 3 steps. Now this is a quadratic equation. First step what? You need to observe x square coefficient is 1 or not. In this quadratic equation, x square coefficient is 1. Okay. Now this constant I will send to the right side. X square plus x equal to 20. U number 1. Now this is my required quadratic equation. Now second step what? Formula. Formula what? Term to be added. Term to be added what? Half into coefficient of x whole square. Half into coefficient of x whole square. What? Half into this one, x. Here x coefficient is what? 1 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. How much? 1 upon 4. 1 square is 1. 2 square is what? 4. This 1 by 4 is added on both sides on equation 1. Add 1 upon 4 on both sides on equation on, otherwise in equation 1. Okay? X square plus x plus 1 upon 4 equal to 20 plus 1 upon 4. Now, this one if you observe, you will get a plus b whole square form. See, 1 by 1 upon 4 can be written 1 by 2 whole square. Now this middle term what? 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square. See, I will show. X square plus here a equal to x and here b equal to 1 by 2. X square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square. X square plus 2 to get cancelled. You got here x. X plus 1 by 4. You got? So here directly you can write a plus b whole square. A term is x and b term is 1 by 2. Last term compulsory should be a perfect square. See, x plus 1 by 2 whole square equal. This you cross multiply. 24 is how much? 80. 80 plus 1, 81. 81 upon 4. Now here square is there. You can apply the square root. For the square root, 2 sides, plus or minus. X plus 1 by 2 equal to plus or minus. Here, in before step, can I write 9 upon 2 whole square? Because 9 square how much? 81. 2 square how much? 4. So here instead of applying square root, this one also correct. Square come cancel. But here square means first thing square root you will get. So for the square root it has two signs, plus or minus 9 upon 2. Otherwise if you are unable to understand, you can get directly this one. X plus 1 by 2 equal to plus or minus under root 9 by 2 whole square. This square and square root get cancelled. X plus 1 by 2 equal to plus or minus 9 by 2. Students, x plus 1 by 2 equal to plus or minus 9 by 2. Here you are having two signs. First sign is plus, second sign is minus. So you need to separate. X plus 1 by 2 equal to 9 upon 2. Here positive sign, no need to give the sign. X plus 1 by 2 equal to minus 9 upon 2. For the negative compulsory. Now here these are the right terms. This one you send to the right side. Plus 1 by 2 become minus 1 by 2. X equal to 9 upon 2 minus 1 by 2. Denominators are same. Do the subtraction. 9 minus 1 how much? 8. X equal to 8 upon 2 how much? 4. Now come to the second one for the negative sign. This plus now 1 by 2 send to the right side, it become minus. X equal to minus 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. These both fractions are like fractions because denominators are same. Now minus 9 minus 1 how much? Minus 10. X equal to minus 10 by 2 equal to minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 4 and minus 5 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Students, now fourth one. 9y square minus 12y plus 2 equal to 0. Now steps what? First step what? Y square coefficient should be 1. In this equation 1 is there? No. So we divide with that y square coefficient. Y square coefficient what is there? 9. So divide by 9 on both sides. Divide by 9 on both sides. When you divide with 9, what you will get? 9y square minus 12y plus 2 upon 9 equal to 0 upon 9 how much? 0. Now here I will separate the terms. 9y square upon 9 minus 12y upon 9 plus 2 by 9 equal to 0. 9 get cancelled. Y square, here it is possible to say no in 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are minus 4 by 3 into y plus 2 upon 9 equal to 0. This constant you will send to the right side. It will be easy for you. Y square minus 4 upon 3 into y equal to minus 2 upon 9. This is your required equation. U number 1. Now formula what? Term to be added. Half into coefficient of y. Here variable is y now. Use the variable y. Half into coefficient of y whole square. Term to be added equal to half into coefficient of y whole square. The coefficient of y was minus 4 upon 3. Half into minus 4 upon 3 whole square. 2 ones are 2 2s are minus 2 by 3 whole square equal to how much? 4 by 9. This 4 by 9 add on quadratic equation. In quadratic equation 1, add 4 upon 9 on both sides in quadratic equation 1. Y square minus 4 by 3 into y plus 4 upon 9 equal to minus 2 by 9 plus 4 upon 9. Students, now we added 4 by 9 on both sides in quadratic equation 1. Now in before problem I said a plus b whole square in middle. Here you see a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a term is y, b term is, it is a perfect square or not, you see. 4 can be written 2, 9 can be written 3 square. So overall can I write 2 upon 3 whole square? A square minus 2ab plus 2 upon 3 whole square. So directly I am writing 1 minus 2 upon 3 whole square equal to, these are the like fractions, denominators are same. Directly can I do subtraction? Minus 2 plus 4 how much? 2 upon 9. 2 upon 9. Okay. Now here square is done. You can apply the square root. But the square root has two signs, positive and negative. Y minus 2 upon 3 equal to plus or minus under root 2 upon 9. Now square root of 9 how much? 3. So here can I write plus or minus root 2 upon 3. Now here separate y minus 2 upon 3 equal to root 2 upon 3. It is a positive. Y minus 2 upon 3 equal to minus 2 root 2 upon 3. Now this minus 2 by 3 sent to the right side. It becomes plus 2 by 3. Y equal to root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. These are the unlike terms. Because your first term is, it is a surd, root 2. So direct line and here denominators are same. Y equal to root 2 plus 2 upon 3. Your first root. Now second root. This one will send to the right side. Y equal to minus root 2 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. It is a surd. And denominators are same. You can't do subtraction. Y equal to minus root 2 plus 2 upon 3. These are the two roots. Therefore, y equal to root 2 plus 2 upon 3 and minus root 2 plus 2 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Students, one more question I will explain. Fifth one. See, first step what? Y square coefficient should be 1. In this equation, y square coefficient is 1? No. What is the coefficient of y square? 2. So, divide with 2 for the given equation. Divide by 2 on both sides. So, when you divide, I am writing by directly. Y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 10 by 2 equal to 0. In 2 table, 10 is usable. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Y square plus 9 by 2 into y. This I will send to the right side. It becomes minus 5. Right? This is my required quadratic equation. Now y square coefficient is 1. Now second step what? Term to be added. Term to be added. Term to be added what? Half into coefficient of y whole square. Coefficient of y what? 9 by 2. Half into 9 upon 2 whole square. 9 ones are 9. 2 2s are 4. 9 by 4 whole square. Nothing but 81 upon 6. This 81 upon 16 added on both sides in quadratic equation 1. Add 81 by 16 on both sides in equation 1. Okay. See, y square plus 9 upon 2y into y plus 81 upon 16 equal to minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. Now here, first term, last term you see. First term y square. Last term what? 81 by 16. In before problem what I said, last term should be a perfect square number. 81 by 16 whole you can write 9 upon 4 whole square. Now it is in which form? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So can I write a plus b whole square? Why not? Y plus 9 upon 4 whole square equal to, here cross multiply 16. 16 5s are how much? 80 minus 80 plus 81 upon 16 is equal to minus 80 plus 81 how much? 1 upon 16. Here what? It is a square. So when you have to apply the square rule, plus or minus square. Y plus 9 upon 4 equal to plus or minus under root 1 upon 16. What is the square root of 16? 4. Plus or minus 1 upon 4. Students, now what we got? Y plus 9 upon 4 equal to plus or minus 1 by 4. Here two signs are there. First one is positive and second one is negative. You separate. Y plus 9 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 4 is a positive. Y plus 9 upon 4 equal to minus 1 upon 4. Now this one you take to the right side, it becomes minus y equal to 1 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4. These both are like fractions because denominators are same. 1 minus 9 how much? Minus 8. Y equal to minus 8 upon 4 equal to minus 2. Therefore y equal to minus 2. One rule we got. Now second, this one you send to the right side, it will become minus y equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 9 upon 4. These are both are like fractions, denominators are same. Minus 1 minus 9 how much? Minus 10. Y equal to minus 10 upon 4 equal to how much? Minus 5 upon 2. Y equal to minus 5 upon 2. Therefore, y equal to minus 2 and minus 5 upon 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, by this question, your practice set 2.3 completed. Remaining questions you can solve it. Remaining 3 questions.